It's starting to heat up out there again. It's a beautiful day.
Big time. Comfortable. The humidity is not noticeable today. That will change big time as we head towards the weekend. Yeah. Sweltering summertime.
That is a change.
Sizzle. Yeah. We're dropping the alliteration. We're dropping the steamy words. Bonafide hot, record-setting heat is in the forecast as we head into the next 7 days. Now, there are some other activities we got to talk about as well. Massive severe weather outbreak ongoing across the plains, and that energy is moving towards Middle Tennessee. We've got to talk about this story one chapter at a time. 87 right now. It's gorgeous. We're not expecting anything active tonight. We are running about 10 degrees above normal, and we will add even more heat to this. So 80s all across the Volunteer State, 70s up in Kentucky, near 70 as you look towards St. Louis. Satellite and radar, quiet. You've heard me say this, like a drop of Dawn soap in a greasy pan. That is not the case for our friends out in the plains. Significant severe weather outbreak is ongoing across Texas, Oklahoma, and parts of Kansas. The tornado watch in effect for the panhandle of Texas, it's a special kind of watch that they issue called a PDS. It stands for particularly dangerous situation, and that's because the potential for intense long-track tornadoes is across the plains today. Hail upwards of 4 inches in diameter, and they could have storms with even 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Now the Storm Prediction Center has issued a high risk across the plains. I mentioned this, that is the top of the scale, 1 to 5. It's the first time they've done that in 2 years. So significant severe weather outbreak. That energy does slide further to the east. Missouri, Arkansas under the gun tomorrow, but watch what happens on Wednesday. You would think, right, that as it treks further to the east, that severe weather threat would move towards us. In part, the heat that we're going to get this week, this warming trend that's going to build in, it's going to protect us from the risk for severe weather. It's not impossible to see a stray shower or storm, but this thing is not like a locomotive coming out of the plains. It will evolve as it moves. Tuesday morning, not impossible to see a stray shower, rumble of thunder for areas northwest. It's that line of energy arriving Wednesday that would be our first chance to see some showers and storms from the energy that's impacting the plains, but it will weaken significantly. We are not expecting severe weather. 58 overnight tonight, clear skies, 89 tomorrow. It is the last 80-degree day in this 7-day forecast. Sizzling, sweltering, smoking hot as we head towards the weekend. The potential for record-breaking, record-tying heat. Once we hit 90 on Wednesday, we will be in the 90s every day for the next 6 straight days.